Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, good in my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day.
Hey love bugs, welcome back. It is I, Ashley Bedeck, and today I've teamed up with Eunice and they sent me over this beautiful Burmese curly with finger coils unit. This one here is going to be a perfect baddie for the summertime. She has a pre-everything upgraded cap construction with a closure, the upgraded drawstring, as well as the anti-slip technology around the crown and nape. This one also has a paper thin adjustable strap in the middle, making it the perfect glueless combination. Now here's a close-up of those finger coils I talked about. Look at how beautiful these are. Super gorgeous. It's giving Goldilocks, right? Here's a look at the hairline and that beautiful glueless fit, as well as a look at the curls from the back. This one is nice and full. You can also set her as a side part. I didn't do that because I didn't want to separate those finger coils, but you get the vibe. Today we're going to be doing a glueless install as promised, so I just used a little bit of hairspray, set that in place, and then we're going to go ahead and use a little edge control to make sure that our edges are nice and sleek so that everything matches along the entire hairline. Next up on the agenda was baby hair. I opted for micro baby hair today, which is my perfect definition of the literally tiniest, smallest amount, just something to sit there and camouflage that hairline. That way, as you take your wig on and off throughout the days, it can be glueless, fit glueless, and look glueless. Literally, this step makes your lace look invisible. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add the melt belt down, and I'm going to go ahead and play with the hair. Now, to me, I honestly feel like you can put this one on and do nothing to the ends, especially for the first few days, but I wanted to show you the versatility of the hair. I wet it down slightly just to get it damp with a little bit of water, and then I added some mousse. I did use the brush to break up the curls up top, being very gentle at the ends, not to push it all the way through, simply to preserve some of those finger coils. As you brush through it, you definitely will lose some. The perfect solution for sure is to take your fingers and just recoil it as needed. Now, I did a few in the front just for demonstration purposes, but honestly, the wave pattern on this one is so beautiful, you don't have to do that at all. After I removed the melt belt, I did go ahead and add a little bit of lace tint. You guys know I love the ruby kisses, so I added it in the parting as well as the hairline. And then I went in with an electric hot comb. I've been using this a lot less lately, just really allowing the hair to show with its natural texture, but still just wanted a sleek finish with that hot comb, and I definitely achieved that look. From there, I did go ahead and use a diffuser to go ahead and finish it off and get it completely dry. Now, I'm a air dry kind of girl and I prefer that, but just for the sake of the video, I wanted you guys to see how beautiful the curls are and how big they get. I mean, even after this video, the hair gets bigger and bigger and more defined, and I love that for me. Here is the overall finish, but of course, I wanted to do one more step. This here is a serum. You can take any serum or oil of your choice. When using mousse and then drying the hair, you may get a little bit of crunch, and the secret is to add a small amount of serum. Literally on top will melt any crunch and break the cast, and this was the final look. For styling purposes, this one is literally super versatile, so you can do many styles with it, but you guys know my go-to is literally just an updo. I use a cute stylish comb, pin it back, and leave a little baby hair and a little bit of bang in the front, and literally you can put your hair up, especially in this hot heat during summertime. Here's a close-up POV of the hair. She's absolutely gorgeous. The ombre is perfect, and again, she fits 100% glueless, and that lace melts like butter. Okay, love bugs, we are officially done with this look, and she is 2T. I almost forgot to give you an outro because I'm literally ready to get out of here and head outside because I am looking too fabulous. Now, as we already know, this one here is a beautiful Burmese curly ombre, chestnut brown ombre lace wig. I have her in the length 20 inches, but I feel like stretch, she's giving more like 22. So I am definitely loving that. This one here, this is the bag that the wig comes in. I already showed you guys like the unboxing, But this here lets us know that this is a 7x5 by Knots lace wig, and she is in the length 20 inches. But again, doesn't that give like 22? Maybe I'm tripping, but I'm not complaining at all. She definitely comes with that finger coil at the end. So as you guys seen when I did my curly hair routine with this one, I tried to preserve the finger coil as much as possible because that's definitely my favorite part. Of course, you can use your finger and go in and kind of play with it to kind of keep some of those alive, but as you detangle, they will kind of separate, and there's nothing wrong with that because the hair is just so gorgeous no matter what. This one had an upgraded cap with the medical grade anti-slip technology. You have the 3 strips here as well as around the nape, and that is what keeps the wig in place. We have the upgraded elastic band, and I almost forgot to show you guys, this one also has the drawstring. It fits so good that I never ever adjusted that drawstring, and I did not even realize it because it fits nice and snug without. It is a pre-everything cap construction with a glueless hairline fit and a nice closure, which means I'm able to put her on and go install super simple and easy, and of course wear her glueless. I opted for the micro baby hair just to give myself a little camouflage because it's going to be worn out for the entire summer. If you've been following me on social media, you know I've been out with the kids at the pool literally every single day, so this is my go-to right here, and she is absolutely fly. She's going to give me all the compliments, and I am super excited. So I will have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.